the hell is that?
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everybody. Yo, them bird and no manners. Tabernas. Yo, watch me on the blouse and skirt now. I guess I have a bad day today. You know, everybody have one of them days. For this week vlog video, I'm visiting the Palm Beach Zoo and Conversation. I mean, hold on, let me think about it already. Your favorite idiot. Conversation. Palm Beach Zoo and Conservation Society, guys. That be nice, man. I have a little respect. WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So if you're new to this channel, yeah, if this is the first time you're there, you know, more you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, you know, and continue watch the video and let me know what you think. You see me? On a stylish, eh? Alright. I'm gonna show off, watch it. That one is full of style though. Monkey. A monkey that.
Oh yeah, car monkey.
Oh, hell no!
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleep tonight. Charge it. I make so much nicer. Yo, look on the tiger. Look on him right here, sir. You can't see him good. This is a big ass cat, man. Hey, look on him. You know I'm buck up on this end of the wild, no people. Them say if you see one of them in the wild, the best thing you can do, and don't run. But tell me, you know, you can't see something like this and don't run. Jesus Christ. Oh damn, the lizard are ugly. Oh my God. Jesus Christ, people, look on the iguana here. You can't just look fake. Like this dude just sit down on this thing and just a chill, nah move. But yo, you can't imagine saying there are people who eat them sitting here. Like tell me, you know, you could have looked on sitting like this and eat him. Hell no. That damn bird and I tap him now. Right now I'm just a walk up and down and I look and I walk up and down. Look at this bird right here. It is so amazing. Look how big it be. Jesus Christ. Them say alligator there around here. So I don't know if them they actually around here or not. But guys, I'm gonna do it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog, people. This is very terrifying for me right now, but I'm gonna go look and see. Oh hell no! The nigga they bright there, so look on him blows and skirt. Jesus Christ, that's a near me dead. Yo, excuse my language, but this nigga they bright there, so I never see. This crap is terrifying, yo. Can't get a better look on him. And he now just a lay down there.
That's a real alligator.
Man, this shit creeped me out a while ago. Cause me I come around here so if you look on the brother with the around here, so I say I can get a better view. Yeah, man, this is the one where I come around here for look, man. Yeah guys, that alligator they just scared the crap out of me a while ago. I really never expect him for the right there, so because I the one for the other side, I go over there go look fun. I deserve a thumbs up for that one there, guys, because I was afraid a while ago. I truly never know how afraid me be a while ago, guys. I deserve a thumbs up. I deserve a subscribe for that one. And subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me, please. Yeah, I'm big enough. Yo, this man look like him got a gas station and forget at which pump him park. And then I look through the door and be like, pump number 9. Why the man your face look so? Fix your face, man. Fix your face. I come and make up him face in my video, like, really, guys?
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Paulie want a tough crackers? Paulie want, yes. You want a tough crackers? Tough crackers. Excelsior, butter cracker. Top of, eh? Hello? 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 So you don't talk no.
Say hi.
Alright guys, and tell me if you know that song. This is good. So you know that song there, people? No comment below if you don't know that song there. Alright, so I don't know what I go right now, but I just have walk and see if I see nothing interesting. What the hell is that? Jesus. I must see bird there. Like then catch all of the wild bird them and bring them here. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm finna make it this far, I really appreciate it. Why them bird always want to make noise in my video? Like really bird. I want y'all to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button. And leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking. Hold on, I'm thinking about it already. I'm just stay with me. Jesus Christ. Never expect him for the right stuff.
Okay. Rush-Dem Vlogs.